how to display 3D buildings on Zingy. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can display 3D buildings on Zingy. So to display 3D buildings, the first step, logging into the Zingy account. The second step, ensure that you're on the paid version of Zingy, as this would give you more features than the free version. And so once you're on the home page, move to the bottom left corner where you can see the layers option. Just click on that, and then you can see map options. So you can decide to make use of the default option to view your map. You can decide to the satellite option. Then you can see 3D buildings at the bottom part of the screen. Once you can see that, move to the right side, click on the toggle, and then put it on. By putting it on this way, it shows that all of your buildings would be portrayed or displayed in 3D. And it's as simple as that. So that is it. Okay, so this is it. This is how you can set or display 3D buildings on Zingy. Thank you for watching and have a good day.